Throwaway culture is the target of a new exhibition at London's Design Museum. Waste not, want not used to be the cry of previous generations and still exists in many parts of the world. But as the planet faces how to avoid a climate catastrophe, we thought we'd talk to the curator of the show, Gemma Curtin, about if it's possible to reverse the trend. Well, thanks for taking time to speak to us here on the programme. Plastic waste is, if you like, the main focus of the exhibition. How serious a problem is it?
It is a huge problem at the moment with single-use plastic being used for things we will only use once. So it's a material that can last from 450 years to forever. And the exhibition really tries to explore this current scale of our waste problem, but also the solutions and what we can do to change our take, make and waste society into one that looks at waste as a resource, a precious resource, and at plastic as an incredible material that has really changed the 20th century in terms of health and safety and protecting us, but also in its use for packaging has really caused a huge problem, a problem that we have difficulty managing.
So tell us, what can people see when they visit the Design Museum right now?
So it's in three parts. The first section is peak waste, and it really looks at that scale of the problem. So we have an incredible wall of bottle tops that have been collected from plastic bottle tops from Cornish beaches, and just in one season. And these are things we recognise, whether milk tops or ketchup tops, these things that we just throw away, use for a couple of times and then throw away. But the exhibition then really moves on to solutions. Designers who are looking at using recycled plastics to make furniture, to make clothing, and also in the future, how designers are starting to look at new materials, whether it's using algae or mycelium, which is the root of a fungi, to replace oil-based polymers. So these are materials that have the same malleability, the same transparency and protective qualities. So there's a lot of energy in the exhibition. So behind me here is a column made out of waste paper cups that can't be recycled, but the designers have 3D printed them and then coated them with mycelium, and it might be a future architectural material.